Hi everyone, Tanya Hertz here. I'm Assistant Professor of Entrepreneurship at San Diego Miramar College, and I'm also Director of the Regional Entrepreneurship Center, the Rec Innovation Lab at Miramar, and I've been teaching entrepreneurship at San Diego State for the past 10 years. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about a class that we have starting up in a couple of weeks, actually, at Miramar College, that I thought might be beneficial to some of you who are sequestered at home and looking for something to do right now. The class is the entrepreneurship class. It's the fundamentals of entrepreneurship class. So if you've ever thought about maybe starting your own company someday, this class is a really great class to help you do that. To learn the basics of what it takes to really be successful as an entrepreneur. A lot of us are realizing that we can't rely on the economy, that very often entrepreneurship is a choice, and sometimes it's the only option. And we give you the tools that you need to really be successful in entrepreneurship so that you can follow your passions and start companies that you actually want to work at. So we have the classes that are starting up very soon. It's starting actually on April 6th. It's a fully online class. It goes from April 6th to June 1st, 2020. And even if you're not yet enrolled in the college, or even if you're still at high school, or you're working at home, or you're doing any number of any number of things where you just have a little bit of free time between April 6th and June 1st, we can get you signed up for the Fundamentals of Entrepreneurship online class. Fully online, except it's not like a regular online class where you go at your own pace and you never see the teacher and you don't talk to anyone. Even though it's online, we do meet up together once a week, and we do more of a virtual classroom where everybody comes in on a Zoom session once a week. And we'll set the days of the week after everyone enrolls in the class, and we figure out what works best for everyone. So like I said, even if you're not yet enrolled in the college, there is still time. It's a very quick process to submit the application. I'm sending out this email to you. You submit the free application wherein you apply through SDCCD. And once you do that application, you can go to any of the three colleges, City, Miramar, and Mesa. You create your password, enroll in the class, and the class is Business 129. It's actually an entrepreneurship class, and it's $46 per unit if you don't qualify for financial aid. So right now the class is actually technically full, but I noticed just today that I have enough students on the wait list that if I just have 10 or 11 more students join the wait list, I can add a duplicate class and just add another section of this entrepreneurship. So please go ahead and sign up for the class or sign up for the wait list. As soon as you do that, then email me. Let me know that you've created your account, you've signed up for the wait list, and that you would like a new course to be created. If I see enough of those, I will create a duplicate course. And then afterwards, you can find out about financial aid, health services, disability services, all the other services that we have on campus that are still available, even though we are going through this terrible health crisis right now. So I encourage you all to spend your time wisely rather than just sitting at home doing nothing. Take an entrepreneurship class with me. They are so much fun. And even though it's not an in-person class, there are amazing things that we do in this class. And we have guest speakers. We have, we go through the process of coming up with ideas, evaluating those ideas, pitching the ideas. And don't worry if you're not too technologically savvy. I'll walk you through all of the all the steps of getting up to speed. And the cool thing also is that once you take that entrepreneurship class, it then qualifies you to be able to sign up or to apply for the incubator on campus at Miramar, the Rec Innovation Lab. And that's really cool. It's an amazing resource that we have there. We're going through the test phase of it right now, where if you apply for the and get accepted into the program, you get all sorts of amazing resources, including meetings with mentors. You get free legal counsel. You get a branding campaign. You get to use a 3D printer and a laser cutter to make T-shirts for your company, and oh, so many different things. There's a lot of different things. There's a chance to pitch to angel investors at the end of the semester. We do that. You get coding help if you need that, website design and development if you need that. We'll have the branding team build a logo or design the logo for you, or any other of your infographics. Yeah, there's VR lab there, so you can take a virtual reality training. There's videos here that you can watch, talk a little bit more about our program, and that talk a little bit more about the Rec Innovation Lab. And then you can see some of the workshops also that we have. We had an amazing workshop the other day with a former student, Ryan Vansher, who it was a virtual workshop that we do, and he is one of the founders of a company called CourseKey that they started over at SDSU, and that company is now worth over $20 million, and it hasn't even been 5 years. So a lot of great success stories that you see with entrepreneurs, and that's kind of the cool thing about entrepreneurship. You can do big things very, very fast. So if you're interested in looking more about this, here's the website. It's sdmiramar.edu. You would then go to the programs page, go to the entrepreneurship program, and then actually I'll just show you quickly. You'll go to the entrepreneurship program, and it is located right there. And then to get to that page that we were just looking at with the calendar, you actually have to choose this small little link over there, Rec Innovation Lab, and there it is. And I hope that all of you consider signing up for this class. Like I said, if I get 10 or 11 more, I will open another section. And doesn't matter if you're just taking this one class. I mean, you can just take one class if you like. There's not everybody has to go through a prescribed program, but even if you do, we have lots of great programs that you can take advantage of. So, all right, I'll let you go. I will hopefully see you all soon in the class. Take care. Have a good one.